Hi everyone, in this video we're going to create a data visualization web app using Seaborn and Streamlit. First we need to install the required modules. You can do this using pip, but I've already installed them before so I won't run it again. Let's start with our first example. We're going to create a simple data table using Python and pandas. Here we have a list of countries and their populations and we convert it into a data frame. At the end, we print the data frame to see it on the screen. When we run this code, we'll see a table in the console showing each country and its population. This step helps us understand how to organize our data before visualizing it. Now, let's use this data to build a web app with Streamlit. First, we import Streamlit and set a title for our app. Here we've added the title Countries Population Visualization, which will appear at the top of the web page. To start the web server, we can use the command streamlit run app.py. When the code runs, it will show a local web address in the terminal, and we can open that address in a browser to see our web app. This way, the title and the initial layout of the page will be displayed live in the browser. Let's continue coding. I'm adding the sample data we used in the previous example, and I'm converting it into a data frame again. Next, we add a sidebar to the web app. In the sidebar, we give the user the option to sort the data by population, either ascending or descending. We do this using a select box. To see the select box in action, I will restart the server, pressing Ctrl and C at the same time to stop it and then starting it again. After that, the sidebar options will appear on the page and we can interact with them. As we set it up, we can see the ascending and descending options in the select box. Let's continue coding. After setting up the sorting, we display our data as a table on the web page. Using Streamlit's DataFrame function, we can show the data frame directly in the browser. At the same time, we create a bar plot using Seaborn to visualize the population of each country. The chart is colorful and clear, with the x-axis showing countries and the y-axis showing their population. When we run this part, we'll see both the table and the chart on the web page. If you restart the web server, the page refreshes and shows all updates. The chart helps us quickly see which country has the highest population. If you want, you can also change the sorting from descending to ascending, and both the table and the chart will update automatically to reflect the new order. This allows you to easily compare countries with smaller populations as well. If you're new to Streamlit, don't worry. I recommend checking out the courses section on our channel. You can continue learning Python by watching Streamlit and other free courses. Also, if you want to support us, consider joining the channel and subscribing so you can keep learning and stay updated with new content.